Hello friends, welcome back to Tech Vyrix. Today we are going to know sharing files online easily. Open a browser. Open easyupload.io. Here you can share up to 10 gigabytes easily. And let files be available for 30 days free and forever for premium. Let's share this test share file. Keeping the expiration 3 days. And adding a temporary password, Vyrix123. Click upload. Here you can share link or QR code. Or just click share. Add the receiver's email address. Add the receiver's email address. Sender name and a short message for receiver if needed. Once got success, click send. The message is sent. Open mailbox, find the mail and open it. Here click the second link. As you can see, we got the file here with all details. Let's download it by entering the password. The file received successfully.